If you borrowed a few fruits from your neighbor that were covered with bluish-green fuzz, you could gently scrape off the mold on the surface with a thin bamboo strip. This mold is Penicillium. However, the natural colony would be too small to extract enough of the active substance. Being clever, you would grind some corn, boil it into a thick porridge, pour it into a clay jar, and let it cool. This becomes a natural culture medium. Then you would scrape off the mold with a bamboo strip and smear it onto the surface of the medium. To create a suitable environment for the mold to grow, you would place the jar in a cool, dark place, seal the mouth with a layer of oil or fat, and poke a few small holes for ventilation. After several days, when you remove the oil seal, if the surface is covered with a yellow-green layer of mold and gives off a distinctive musty smell, you have obtained a preliminary fermented Penicillium culture. Next, you would repeatedly filter it through several layers of fine linen cloth, producing a cloudy yellow-brown liquid. At this point, however, the liquid still contains many impurities and cannot be used directly. Being resourceful, you would pour it into a tall, narrow clay container, add an equal amount of rapeseed oil, mix thoroughly, and then let it sit. The oil would absorb fat-soluble impurities and float on the top. In the lower watery layer lies the penicillin you want to extract. Using a siphon tube, you would draw off the lower aqueous layer containing the penicillin. To further remove impurities, you would mix a small amount of plant ash with cooled boiled water and slowly add the clear upper liquid into the extract. The ash water is alkaline, and the alkaline environment allows penicillin to dissolve in the form of a salt while causing some impurities to precipitate. Finally, you would pour the mixture into a clay dish and place it in a cool, ventilated area so the water can slowly evaporate naturally. After several days, a small amount of damp, strongly smelling paste would remain at the bottom. Congratulations! You have successfully recreated an ancient method of extracting penicillin.